Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the last class I
Yes,
completed
ma'am.
that module 5, okay. So today I am starting with a new module, that is module 3, and it is feedback here. So feedback amplifiers using BJTs, correct? So that thing I am going to cover. Yeah. So in module 3, the first topic is feedback amplifier and the properties of feedback amplifier. So feedback amplifier was first designed in the year 1928 by an electronics engineer. Okay, his name is Harold Black. So he designed first feedback amplifier. Yeah. So the theory and concepts developed by him are being used widely nowadays in almost all the circuits. Yeah. Now, apart from engineering, it is also used in modeling of biological systems. Yeah. So it is very important concept what he has developed. Yeah. So feedback amplifier. So let us understand the general feedback structure that is introduced for all the feedback types. Yes, so we have 4 feedback types, yes, which we will be studying after this thing. Yeah, so first thing is the general feedback structure. Now it is consisting of a basic amplifier with open loop gain equal to A and a feedback network with the feedback factor equal to beta, and there will be a source and load. Yeah. So the source signal is XS and feedback signal is XF. Here XI is the difference signal between XS and XF. Here X0 is the output of this amplifier. Yeah. Now let us understand different parameters. Yeah. Now the open loop gain is A, correct? So the gain with feedback it is known as AF, correct? So let us derive an expression for gain with feedback. Now from this diagram here, in this diagram we have not mentioned whether this X is current or voltage. It can be either current or voltage. Now depending upon what feedback network you are going to design, accordingly these values will be either current or voltage. Yeah. Now first let us generate or derive the expressions for general amplifier. Yeah. So whether it is current or voltage, we don't know. So output of this amplifier is X0, which is equal to A times Xi, correct? So here this is written as equation number 1. Now I already told output of this feedback network is XF, which is equal to beta times X0. Means you are tapping some part of the output and feeding it back to input. Yeah. So this is given by XF equal to beta into X0. So this is equation number 2. Now I already told Xi is nothing but the difference between the source signal XS and the feedback signal XF. So Xi equal to XS minus XF. So it is equation 3. Now using these 3 equations, let us find out an expression for AF. Now AF is for gain with feedback, defined as the ratio of output quantity divided by input quantity applied to the amplifier circuit. Yeah. So X0 divided by Xi. Here, so this is equal to A divided by 1 plus A beta. So this is written as equation 4. Now the factor A beta, clear, the product A beta, we call it as loop gain. Yeah, so the total gain around the loop is A beta. Yeah. Now if it is positive, correct? If it is positive, then the difference signal Xi is smaller than the input signal here, and also the gain with feedback will be smaller than open loop gain A. Yeah. So the difference signal is smaller signal here, because XF is being subtracted from the source signal XS. Now here, the amount of feedback, that is nothing but the factor 1 plus A beta here. So amount of feedback is given by A beta. Now larger the amount of feedback, then the difference between the source signal and the feedback signal will be smaller. That means what? The feedback signal will be nearly equal to the source signal when we use large amount of feedback, or the difference signal Xi will be approaching almost zero. Now we can see this one. Suppose if A beta is very large, then A beta is much larger than 1. Now substituting in that above equation, we have A of nearly equal to A divided by A beta. A cancels. I get it as 1 by beta. So gain of this feedback amplifier is almost determined by feedback network. See, usually we are using passive components in order to design the feedback network. Therefore, it is very easy to design this feedback network to have a particular gain. So that is the advantage of having a much larger A beta factor. Now let us combine the three equations, that is 1 to 3, in order to get an expression for XF. That is, what is the feedback signal XF in terms of XS. Now we have XF equal to beta into X naught, correct? Now I am substituting for X naught here. So it will be beta into A into Xi. So which is nothing but A beta into Xi. Now what is Xi? It is difference signal. Here difference between XS and XF. Now substituting for Xi, I will get it as A beta XS minus A beta XF. So take this term on the left hand side and take XF as common. Here inside bracket I am left with A plus 1 plus A beta, which is equal to A beta into XS. So XF equal to A beta divided by 1 plus A beta. So this I am taking on the right hand side into this X of S. So this is given as equation 6. Now in this equation also, suppose if A beta is much larger than 1. Suppose A beta is much larger than 1. So what we see here, XF is nearly equal to XS, correct? So A beta divided by A beta get cancelled, XF is nearly equal to XS. So which implies that the signal Xi, which was the difference between XF and XS, will be approaching 0 here, or it is reduced to 0. Thus, if a large amount of negative feedback is employed, the feedback signal XF becomes an almost identical replica of the input signal. So that is the conclusion. And the property, this property is actually used for comparing the inputs, correct? So the network what we design is also called as comparison circuit here. So where we the difference Xi here between XS and XF, the difference between XS and XF, which is nothing but Xi, is sometimes referred to as error signal here, and the circuit is known as comparison circuit. Now let us derive an expression for Xi, correct?
Oh. Akitu tugal man ki gasna si uruka.
Hey, please mute this one now. Who is this one? Now here, we are deriving an expression for xi, correct? So we know that x naught equal to a into xi. That is x naught output quantity is equal to open loop gain times the difference signal xi, correct? Or xi is equal to x naught divided by a. Now from equation 2, we know that the feedback signal xf is equal to beta into x naught, correct? Therefore, x naught equal to xf divided by beta. Now I am substituting this into equation 7. So in place of x naught, I have written xf divided by beta and denominator was a. So that is kept as it is. So I get it as xf divided by a beta. Now from equation 3, we have the difference signal xi equal to xs minus xf, correct? So xf from this equation I get it as xs minus xi. Now I am substituting this in this equation 8. So what we get, xi is equal to xs minus xi divided by a beta. So I am cross multiplying this here. So to get a beta xi equal to xs minus xi. Now take this xi on the left hand side and make it as a common term. So xi inside bracket I am left with 1 plus a beta, which is equal to xs. Therefore xi equal to xs divided by 1 plus a beta. So that is what is written here. Now here also we will apply that particular rule. If we use a large feedback, that is when a beta is much larger than 1. So this 1 can be neglected and xi is simply equal to xs divided by a beta. Here. So xi becomes very small because a beta is much larger here. So xi is very small because xs gets divided by a beta. So what we can observe from this particular analysis is here negative feedback reduces the signal that appears at the input terminals of basic amplifier. By what amount? By an amount of 1 plus a beta. So this is known as amount of feedback used. Here 1 plus a beta is amount of feedback used. Is there any doubt in this? Hello? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So now let us solve one problem here. So this is exercise problem what he has given here, but he has given the answers also for this problem here. So the problem is given like this. The non-inverting op-amp with the feedback is shown in the figure here. So R2 is feedback resistor here. R1 is input resistor here. So this is source voltage Vs and V0 is output voltage RL load resistor. So first part, what we have to do, assume that the op-amp has infinite input resistance and zero output resistance. So find an expression for the feedback factor beta. So this is first one. Now second part what he has asked is, if the open loop gain A equal to 10 raised to 4, find R2 by R1 to obtain a closed loop gain of 10. That is gain with feedback AF is equal to 10. Now C part is, what is the amount of feedback in decibels? Here we have to calculate. D equal to, if Vs equal to 1 volt, find V0, Vf and Vi. And the last one is if A decreases by 20%, what is the corresponding decrease in AF? That is percentage decrease in gain with feedback you have to find out. Yeah. So first 4 parts I have got correct answer. So last part actually I got it as 0.025, but he has given answer as 0.02. So last part I have not done. I'll just explain the first 4 parts here. Here. So in the first part we have to find out the expression for gain, that is Vf by V naught. Correct? So that is say what is Vf here in this case? The feedback voltage is nothing but the drop developed across resistor R1. Here simply I have redrawn the circuit. It is same circuit. I have drawn it in this fashion so that you can clearly understand what is this feedback signal. So feedback signal is nothing but the voltage developed across R1 resistor. So what I am doing here, I am simply applying the voltage divider rule to this particular branch. Here consisting of R2 and R1 resistors. Correct? So you are tapping V0 here. So total voltage is V0 into same resistor, that is R1, divided by sum of the two resistors connected in series. Correct? So R1 into V0 divided by R1 plus R2 will give me the feedback voltage. You take this V0 this side. So Vf divided by V0, which is nothing but feedback factor beta, equal to R1 divided by R1 plus R2. So that is the expression for feedback factor. Now second one was we have to find out R2 by R1 value. Correct? So he has given A as 10 raised to 4 and AF equal to 10. So I have to find out R2 by R1, how much it is. Here. So we know that AF equal to A divided by 1 plus A beta. So 1 plus A beta equal to A divided by AF. So it is equal to 10 raised to 4 divided by 10, that will give me 1000. Here, so 10 raised to 3. So A beta equal to 10 raised to 3 minus 1. This 1 I have taken on the right side. I will get it as 999. Now beta equal to 999 divided by 10 raised to 4, which is equal to 0.0999. So what is beta? According to this equation, if I take this R1 to the denominator, I get it as 1 divided by R1 divided by R1 plus R2 by R1. So it is 1 divided by 1 plus R2 by R1. So that is what I have written here. So 1 divided by 1 plus R2 by R1 equal to 0.0999. Here. So what I am getting, so you take on this right hand side, so this 1 is equal to 0.0999. So multiplied with first term 1 here plus 0.0999 into R2 by R1. So take this 0.099 on this side, I get R2 by R1 equal to 1 minus 0.0999 divided by 0.0999. So that will come as 9.01. So my answer and his answer, whatever he has given, it is matching. So next parameter is we have to find out amount of feedback in dB. Here, now how we are, what is the amount of feedback in this network? It is nothing but 1 plus A beta. Correct. Now you substitute for A equal to 10 raised to 4. Beta we have found it as 0.0999. Please mute your this one speaker. Who is that? So now I have substituted for A and beta and I will get it as 1 plus 999 here equal to 1000. So what is amount of feedback in dB? When I want the quantity in dB, it is 20 log of that quantity here, whichever you want to express in dB. So it is 20 log of 1 plus A beta. So 20 log of 1000 will give me 20 into 3 equal to 60 dBs. Now this fourth part, that is he has given the source signal here. So Vs is given as 1 volt. From this you have to find out V0, Vf and Vi. Here, पानी से डाल ले वो. V0 equal to AF into Vs. So substitute for this 10 into 1 volt, it will give you 10 volts. So final output voltage is 10 volts. Vf is given by beta into V0. Now substitute for beta, that is 0.0999 into 10. It will give me 0.999 volts as the feedback voltage. Now the difference voltage is Vi equal to Vs minus Vf. So 1 minus 0.999 volts will give me 0.001 volt as the difference voltage. Now the last part is you have to find out the percentage decrease in gain with feedback, that is AF, when the open loop gain is decreased by 20%. Here, so A was initially 10 raised to 4. So minus 20% of 10 raised to 4. So 10 raised to 4 minus 20%, how we are writing? 20 divided by 100 into 10 raised to 4. So that will become 2000. So 10 raised to 4 minus 2000 will give you 8000. Suppose if A equal to 8000 instead of 10,000, so you have to find out percentage decrease in AF. So this part I have left here. You take it as an assignment and find out. Whatever I have found out, my answer is 0.025%, but the book has given answer as 0.02% here. So let me check if anybody get 0.02% here. So this I have left here. Can you try this one? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you try this last part? Only one part I have left, that half done, half I have solved. Here you have to find out percentage decrease. I have done this actually. My answer is 0.025, but in book he has given 0.02% here. So I don't know. So whether mine is correct or his is correct. So I want you to solve this one and check the answer. Yeah. Yes, so is there any doubt in this? Whatever I have covered in today's topic?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So just we discussed about the general feedback structure. So in the next class, I will be explaining to you about the properties of negative feedback. Here, once we understand the properties of negative feedback, then we will understand each of these feedback types. Here, there are 4 feedback types. All the types we are going to study in detail. Yeah. So just a summarization. So it is consisting of basic amplifier and a feedback network A and beta here. So only 3 parameters you have to understand, that is gain with feedback, which we have derived here as A divided by 1 plus A beta, and then another expression is the feedback signal. Here it is obtained in terms of source signal A beta divided by 1 plus A beta into Xs, and the final one is difference signal. We have got an expression for this difference signal as 1 divided by 1 plus A beta times Xs. Yeah, so these 3 equations you have to remember. So if you don't have any doubts, then I will take attendance, okay? 1 second, don't leave the class, okay? I'll take attendance. Yes, sir, answer your attendance, sir. 21, Anjan. 21, 32, Bharat S.
Present, ma'am.
Number 1, Abhishek. Abhishek. 2, Achyut.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Achyut, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Adarsh. Number 3.
Present, ma'am.
Number 4, Adarsh P.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Adarsh AS. Number 5.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
6.
Present, ma'am.
Seven. Number 7. 8.
Present, ma'am.
9.
Present, ma'am. 8.
9. 10.
Present, ma'am. 10 present.
Ajita. Agiraj is there, huh?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Ajit. Number 11. 12.
Present, ma'am. Number 12.
Okay, Akash.
Yes, ma'am.
13. 14. 14. Akshay. 15.
Present, ma'am. 15.
16. 16. 17. 18. 20. 21.
Present, ma'am.
21.
Present, ma'am. 21 present, ma'am.
22.
Present, ma'am.
23.
Present, ma'am.
24.
Present, ma'am.
26. 25.
I'm 25 present.
26.
Present, ma'am.
27. 27. 28.
Present, ma'am. 28.
29.
Present, ma'am.
30.
Yes, ma'am.
30.
Yes, ma'am.
31.
Present, ma'am.
32.
32 present, ma'am.
33. 33.
Present, ma'am.
34.
Ma'am, 32 present.
Given. 34.
33 present.
I'm 32 present, ma'am.
34.
Present, ma'am.
32 present, ma'am.
Given. 35.
32 present, ma'am.
Yeah, how many times you will tell you, ma'am?
Present, ma'am.
Number
32
32.
present, ma'am.
Number 32. Chandramouli.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Switch off your speaker. Don't answer for others, okay? 35. 35.
Present, ma'am.
36.
Yes, ma'am.
32 present, ma'am.
37.
Present, ma'am.
38. 39.
Present, ma'am.
40.
Yes, ma'am.
41.
Present, ma'am.
42. 43.
Present, ma'am.
What's your name? 45.
44 present, ma'am.
45.
Present, ma'am.
45, huh? What's your name? 45.
Present, ma'am. Suresh.
47.
Teacher Suresh.
47. 48.
Present, ma'am.
49.
48.
No, 49. 50. 51.
51 present, ma'am.
52.
Present, ma'am.
53.
52 present, ma'am.
Given. 54.
Present, ma'am.
55.
Present.
56.
Present, ma'am.
58.
Present, ma'am.
59.
Present, ma'am.
60. Gurupriya.
Present, ma'am.
You are Gurupriya? 61.
60 present, ma'am.
What number? 61. 62. 63.
Present, ma'am.
64.
64 present, ma'am.
65. 65. 66.
66 present, ma'am.
67.
67 present, ma'am.
203.
Present, ma'am.
204.
Present, ma'am.
400. 400.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
402.
Present, ma'am.
403.
Present, ma'am.
406.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So I will end this meeting. Thank you for attending.
Thank you, ma'am.